Hi, welcome back. It's daily news time. Ah, installment tonight is number 4, which is titled Three of the Best Beer Cities in the World. So, interesting topic. We'll start with the vocabulary as always. So, number 1, craft beer. Craft beer. It's a noun. It means beer made by small companies in a traditional way. There are a number of craft beer companies in Wellington. Number 2, boom. Boom. It's a noun. It means a period of great wealth or fast growth. The US went through a huge economic boom in the 1950s. Number 3, tap. Tap. It's a noun. A device that controls the flow of liquid or gas from a pipe or container. I think I might have left the tap running. Number 4, brewery. Brewery. It's a noun. It means a company or factory that makes beer. I used to work for a small brewery. Number 5, per capita. Per capita. It's an adjective. It means for each individual. Qatar is one of the richest countries per capita in the Middle East. There we go. Moving on to our reading article. 3 of the best beer cities in the world. Beer is the most popular alcohol in the world and third most popular drink after water and tea. As more people have started to enjoy craft beer over the last decade, beer tourism has grown. So, if you want some great beer on your travels, here are 3 of the best cities you can visit. Number 1, Munich, Germany. Munich is home to the Oktoberfest, the largest beer festival in the world, with over 6 million visitors a year. In 2019, 7.3 million litres of beer were drunk during the 2-week-long festival, which ends on the first Sunday of October each year. If you come at another time of year, don't worry, it's also home to many excellent beer halls and beer gardens. Our second destination, Tokyo, Japan. Craft beer isn't a new thing in Japan, which has had its own local beer boom in the early 1990s. There are many craft beer bars in Japan's capital city, but if you only visit one, make it Popeye, the oldest craft beer in the city. With 70 beer taps at the bar, you're sure to find the drink for you. And our finalist, number 3, Asheville, North Carolina. With 28.1 breweries per 100,000 people living there, Asheville has the most breweries per capita in the USA. Since 2009, it has been named Beer City, USA, 4 times. And it's now got such a strong beer culture that large brewing companies in the US have started opening extra breweries in the city. Try the Highland Brewing Company, which started Asheville's craft beer industry back in 1994 and is now one of the largest craft beer brewers in the area. So, moving on to our questions. Question 1. Do you find it surprising that beer is the third most popular drink in the world? Number 2. Do you drink beer? If so, what's your favourite type? If not, why not? Number 3. Is craft beer popular where you live? Number 4. Have you been to Oktoberfest? If so, please share your experience. If not, would you like to? Number 5. Would you rather live in Munich, Tokyo, or Asheville? Why? Number 6. If you could have a beer with any famous person, living or dead, who would you choose and why? Number 7. Do you have a favourite bar or pub? Why do you like going there? Number 8. What was the first alcoholic drink you tried? Did you like it? Number 9. What countries do you imagine drink the most alcohol? And finally, number 10. It's a quote. Beer makes you feel the way you ought to feel without beer. That's by Henry Lawson. Question is, what do you make of this statement? And there we go. Thanks again. Hopefully beneficial. Shall look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day, great week, great evening. Bye for now. Bye bye.